Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my daily analysis video. So today I have done my homework and came up with this following list of stocks like around 24 stock. I think around 20. So out of those 20, I have shortlisted four stocks which are good for a trade. We can try tomorrow. So I bought Shipla around morning 5 minutes high around 12:26. So this is a pretty simple trade. So this stock move up like some good move here followed by some nice consolidation and so yeah, so today it opened gap up below all these highs. So this is more of a plug and pull pattern. I bought this and I'm carry forwarding for tomorrow. And if you look at Canada Bank, this is also the same pattern that I like to trade every day. So this, so we have almost like 5 to 6 days consolidation here. So if market opens gap up or open within yesterday's range, so I will try to buy the morning high breakout. So this is one stock I'm looking to buy. Also, I have this Shanti gear. So we did not trade it on this day. I think that is yesterday. Today, so I just kept it in my watch just to see what happens. But today also it did not move. But tomorrow we might like to trade. Might take a chance by buying at above high around 470 or 469 because we have a very good entry from buyers here. Like on 25th and 26th of October, we see a very good buying in the stock, which is like exceptionally high. So if those buyers will come in and add try to add this stock in, so we'll say a very good move. Like it can make a like I think all time high or something around 530 within 2 3 days. So yeah, and one more thing is HCL Tech. This is not uh, more like a fall and flow, but here you see some huge move from here, and we have some consolidation here. This is little lengthy pattern you might think of, but if you see within this lengthy pattern also, you have a short up move followed by some price action here. So I would like to buy this above this high. So even if you see this one as well, here we have some kind of what do you say, um, VCP kind of thing. So you can easily buy it above this high 1280 or something. And so one more stock is last stock. I think this is Ginger Drill or something. Ginger. Okay, this stock has also broken out like with a very high wall, with a very high good, what do you call this bar, like very big bar with no volume, and we immediately recovered and completed like closed, we can say negated the high of this bar. So the there is nothing much about this bar now. So we have a good consolidation and followed by a breakout. So this stock can break out this range. So so this is also like the VCP pattern that we usually call. So one can try to buy it here with if for example tomorrow market opens uh, gap up, tries to break out morning highs, now we can try to purchase it with day low as stop loss. But so I'm not going to put a stop loss around 640. So I'll just keep a day low of the breakout day only. So this is only for tomorrow. This is only valid for tomorrow. I would not buy the stock if it doesn't give a good move tomorrow, or I would try to buy it. Let's say tomorrow it opens around 680 and trades here within this range, like not above this range. If it trades above this range, maybe we need to recall this, because if it trades and closes here, no, 690 or 6700. So this is getting extended. So I would consider this as a 3 days up move. So I would not try to buy it. Maybe I would like to see one more consolidation for 2 3 days at least, so that I can uh, go for a better risk reward. So uh, these are the four stocks that I have in my watch list. So Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.